Did your MacBook's battery life take a hit after the latest macOS 27 Golden Gate update? A few new settings and some old ones could be working as a golden duo and responsible for this battery draining. So let's fix them and get your Mac lasting longer. First, give it a day or two. After any major update, your Mac is busy indexing files, rebuilding Spotlight, calibrating system settings, and learning your usage patterns. All of that can temporarily drain the battery. And when it's low in charge, just plug it in uninterrupted. As you can see, my battery is almost dead, so I'm going to just plug it in before going further. Then if the battery is still draining after 48 hours, let's fix the new settings that are most likely causing it. Hey Siri. Alright, open Settings, then go to Siri, scroll down and enter App Access. Now by default, Siri learns from many of your apps, almost all of them, which means more background processing and, in some cases, extra battery usage. If there are apps you don't need Siri to learn from, just open them and simply turn off Learn from this app. Now while you're here, let's head over to Spotlight. If there are apps you never search for, uncheck them from this Search and Ask Siri results to reduce unnecessary indexing. Next, let's deal with an old enemy, startup apps. From Settings, General, then scroll down the right-hand side to Login Items and Extensions. Now the more apps that launch automatically, the more battery they consume. Just go ahead and remove anything you don't need at startup. After that, just check the Allow in Background section and disable apps you don't need running silently in the background. Now, speaking of background activity, having lots of apps and windows open also drains the battery. So let's go ahead and click the Apple menu, choose Force Quit. Now this is the easiest way to see whatever app or windows are open right now and running in the background on your Mac. Just select the app that you are not using right now and then force close them. Now to see the difference, if you open Activity Monitor, you'll notice much less background activity once those apps are closed. Next, let's adjust a few display settings. So on Settings, under Appearance, you can enable Dark Mode, because Dark Mode always helps reduce overall power consumption. Now in this video, we're just keeping it light for better visibility. Now after that, go to Display. And a lot of you already know that screen brightness is one of the biggest battery killers. Just go ahead and lower it when you're indoors, or you can enable automatically adjust brightness if you prefer. Now, personally, I find adjusting it manually gives the best balance. Finally, let's go ahead and check the battery's own settings. Open the battery settings from your system settings, and then click on this eye icon in the charging section. Now, since macOS Tahoe, there is an additional charging limit option available. From where you can set a limit between 80% to 90% and help preserve the battery health and stop overcharging. Along with that, you can enable optimized battery charging so your Mac learns your charging routine and helps reduce long-term battery wear. And one last habit that makes a difference. Try plugging your Mac in when the battery goes close to 20% instead of letting it drain completely. Because keeping the battery out of extremely low charge levels reduces stress over time and helps extend its lifespan. Let us know in the comments if this video could help you reduce the battery draining on your Mac after the Golden Gate update. Thanks for your time.